Can you have a voice chat in Roblox PS4? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll be addressing your questions about using voice chat in Roblox on PlayStation 4. So if you're playing Roblox on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 or even an Xbox, you might be curious about whether voice and text chat are available. When you enter any game, you may notice that there are no option for the chat in the menu as shown in the top right corner of the screen. This feature seems to be exclusive to PC. Unfortunately, there is currently no workaround to enable voice chat on Roblox for PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and even if you explore the menu or return to the home screen before joining a game, you won't find any chat options available on the console versions of Roblox. So as of now, it is impossible to use voice chat directly within the Roblox on these consoles. The only way to communicate with friends while playing Roblox is to use an external service such as Discord, where you can join a server or send direct messages to each other. It appears that this restriction is a decision made by Sony and Microsoft to prevent players from communicating with the strangers in the console versions of Roblox. So the goal of this video is to inform you about the limitations of the voice chat on Roblox consoles and the reasoning behind these decisions. So if this video helped clarify any questions you had about enabling voice chat, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.